Say goodbye to shaky legs and muscle fatigue. If you're over 60 and you've noticed your strength slipping, weak legs, tired steps, muscles that don't bounce back, these aren't just signs of getting older. They're warning signals of collagen breakdown and essential nutrient gaps that quietly sap your stability and independence. After age 30, your body can lose up to 8% of its muscle mass every decade. And collagen, the protein that holds muscles, tendons, ligaments, and joints together, declines by about 1 to 2% each year. By age 65, many people find their collagen stores dangerously low. But here's something few seniors know. Much of that damage is reversible, and you can begin feeling stronger within days by supplying your body with the right vitamins. In this script, we'll explore 7 science-backed nutrients that protect and rebuild collagen, boost muscle repair, and help you reclaim your mobility. Start with just one, and you could start walking and moving with renewed confidence in 1 week. Vitamin E is our first hero. This powerful antioxidant protects collagen fibers from oxidative stress, those invisible rust molecules that damage cells over time. As you age, free radicals multiply, inflaming tissues and chipping away at collagen in muscles and joints. A lack of vitamin E means thinner muscles, stiffer joints, and slower healing. Exactly the problems that turn standing or climbing stairs into a struggle. In clinical studies, seniors with higher vitamin E levels show better muscle retention, fewer falls, and stronger grip compared to those who are deficient. In real life, a 74-year-old patient named Eleanor added 200 IU of natural vitamin E plus sunflower seeds and almonds to her daily routine. 3 months later, her leg cramps vanished, her stamina returned, and she said, "I'm not just walking. Again, I'm walking with confidence." Vitamin E isn't a luxury. It's fundamental support for aging muscles. Next, vitamin B6. Protein fuels muscle repair, but B6 is the key that unlocks those amino acids so cells can rebuild. Without enough B6, even a high-protein diet is wasted. As we grow older, our ability to absorb B6 falls, leaving many seniors starved at the cellular level. Common symptoms include slow recovery, jelly legs, and unsteady balance. Consider Harold, a 78-year-old who fell in his backyard despite staying hydrated and active. Routine blood work revealed low B6, a modest 2 milliliters daily supplement, and B6-rich foods like tuna, bananas, and fortified cereal helped him regain leg strength in 6 weeks. Clinical trials confirm that older adults with adequate B6 maintain muscle mass longer and repair tissue faster than those who are deficient. If you're doing all the right things but your body still doesn't respond, B6 may be your missing link. Vitamin A is often linked to night vision, but it's vital for collagen production and tissue repair. It instructs cells, especially fibroblasts, in muscles and joints, when to grow and heal. Low-grade A deficiency appears as slower wound healing, brittle joints, and weakened cartilage. This is surprisingly common among seniors on low-fat diets or with digestive issues. For example, Lucille, age 82, struggled with aching knees and poor night vision. Her retinol levels were borderline. Adding sweet potatoes, spinach, eggs, and a small retinol supplement improved her joint comfort and restored her vision clarity. Research shows that A deficiency accelerates cartilage breakdown, while adequate levels support healthy connective tissue and reduce joint pain. In short, vitamin A is essential for rebuilding the scaffolding that holds muscles and joints together. Then there's the sunshine vitamin, D. Beyond mood, vitamin D governs calcium absorption and activates genes in muscle cells for contraction and growth. After age 65, Skin production of D from sunlight drops by over 50%. Low D levels double the risk of falls and increase muscle loss by 30%, according to gerontology research. Consider Sam, a 76-year-old retired fireman who had no fractures or arthritis, but suffered persistent leg cramps that made stair climbing fearsome. His D was nearly zero. A simple 1,000 IU daily D3 supplement plus brief morning sun exposure returned his strength in 2 months. By spring, he was mowing his lawn again. Because D also supports collagen synthesis in bone and cartilage, it helps prevent aches and stiffness that threaten mobility. If you drag your feet, feel unsteady, or wake stiff, check your D vitamin. B12 keeps nerve-to-muscle communication sharp. B12 builds the myelin sheath around nerves, ensuring clear signals that coordinate every step. After 60, stomach acidity falls and B12 absorption plummets, so even those who eat meat daily can be deficient. Symptoms include numbness, poor balance, and sudden weakness. Regina, age 79, described her legs as betraying her when she tried to rise from a chair. Her B12 was dangerously low. Sublingual B12, absorbed under the tongue, bypassed her gut, and within weeks her energy and balance returned. Studies show seniors with healthy B12 have stronger grip, faster reaction time, and better stability than those with low levels. When hands or feet tingle or legs feel off, B12 could be the fix. Vitamin C is the spark plug for new collagen formation. Often dismissed as a cold remedy, C is actually the critical cofactor for the enzymes that build and repair muscle, tendon, cartilage, and blood vessel walls. Deficiency means slower healing, more joint pain, and fragile vessels prone to bruising. As we age, oxidative stress and tissue wear increase C needs, while absorption declines. Mr. Thomas, age 81, suffered knee and ankle swelling for months. His C was low. Adding 1,000 milliliters of time-released vitamin C plus citrus fruits and bell peppers relieved his swelling, improved his skin tone, and boosted his energy within a month. Research confirms that seniors with adequate C levels heal wounds faster, maintain stronger joints, and experience less cartilage degeneration than those who are deficient. Finally, combine collagen with vitamin K2 for full-spectrum repair. Collagen provides the framework for muscles, bones, and skin. But without K2, your body can't place calcium or activate collagen cross-linking proteins effectively. K2 directs calcium into bone and away from arteries while turning on the AG enzymes that strengthen collagen fibers. Raymond, age 72, had suffered 2 bone fractures despite high-dose collagen shakes. Adding 180 mcg of K2, MK7 form, and 10 Gs of hydrolyzed collagen daily transformed his recovery. Within 3 months, he walked steadily with far less pain. Osteoporosis studies confirm that seniors supplementing with collagen plus K2 gain more bone density, fewer fractures, and better joint health than those taking either nutrient alone. Aging is unavoidable, but losing strength and independence is not. After 60, your body can still rebuild tissue, protect your joints, and restore energy if you provide these 7 vitamins. Vitamin E to guard collagen against oxidative breakdown. Vitamin B6 to trigger muscle protein synthesis. Vitamin 2 A to spark tissue repair and maintain connective integrity. Vitamin D to regulate bone strength and muscle function. Vitamin B12 to preserve nerve-to-muscle signals and balance. Vitamin C to power new collagen formation and joint healing. Collagen plus vitamin K2 to structure and guide calcium into place. You don't need all 7 tomorrow. Start with 1 or 2, add more over time, and watch your steps grow steadier. Consistency is everything. Within days, you may stand taller with less wobble. Weeks later, stairs feel manageable. Months in, you might carry groceries or chase grandchildren without fear. Your best years don't lie behind you. They await ahead. Choose your first vitamin this week and begin your journey back to strength.